Your social media feed is probably a constant parade of miracle cures and beauty breakthroughs. One day, it is a tea that burns fat while you sleep. The next, it is a tube of mascara that promises to turn short lashes into lush curtains in a matter of weeks. This brings us to the latest buzz surrounding Blushe Mascara. This brand is leaning hard into the popularity of Korean beauty trends. They claim their formula is packed with Korean peptide technology. It sounds sophisticated. It sounds like something from a high-tech lab. They tell you it will not only make you look good today, but will actually change the health of your lashes over time. They say it is sweat-proof and smudge-proof. They claim it can revive dormant follicles. It sounds like a dream for anyone tired of glue or expensive salon trips. However, we need to look at the math because the math is very confusing. On one part of their site, they talk about an 8-lead panel with 1,200 participants. They say 96% of these people saw longer lashes. Then they say 98% saw thicker lashes. But if you keep scrolling, the numbers change. Suddenly they are talking about a survey of more than 2,000 customers. Where did those extra 800 people come from? Why are the data sets overlapping or changing? There is no mention of who conducted these studies. There are no published reports to read. When a company uses precise percentages like 93% or 97%, they're trying to build authority. It feels like science. But without a methodology, it is just marketing fluff. Then there's the issue of timing. The website registration date is incredibly recent. Some records even point to a date in the year 2026, which has not even happened yet. That is a massive warning sign. If a company claims to have over 10,000 happy users and a near perfect rating of 4.7 stars, you would expect to see them everywhere. You would expect thousands of tagged photos on social media. You would expect a physical office or at least a customer service phone number. Instead, there is a wall of silence. There is no social media presence to speak of. When you look at independent review platforms, the picture gets even darker. You do not find 10,000 fans. You find a handful of frustrated people. One customer mentioned a buy one get one free offer that turned into a headache. Another reported that their order never arrived at all. When they tried to get a refund, they were met with total silence. This is the biggest red flag of all. A legitimate business wants to keep you happy, so you come back. A ghost company just wants your credit card number once. Peptides are interesting ingredients, but they are not a substitute for transparency. Most mascaras just coat the lash to create an illusion. This brand claims to treat the lash like a medical serum. That is a bold move. It puts them in a different category of scrutiny. Before you hand over your hard-earned money, you have to ask why the stories do not align. The lack of a physical address and the conflicting statistics suggest this might be more about hype than actual hair growth. Be careful where you shop. Your eyes are far too important to risk on a mystery tube from a company that might not even exist next month. Keep your guard up and always look for the receipts before you click that checkout button.